Hyster-Yale Group is, we've got offices on every continent except Antarctica. We're selling trucks in virtually every market these days. We've got users in at least 28 official languages and maybe more. We sell roughly 100,000 trucks a year, give or take, of various classes, and it's everything from a little pallet jack that's holds 1,000 pounds all the way up to a container handler that can move, full ISO cargo containers from ships to truck. Technical authoring was not a core competency for our company, and we needed to be able to manage more content. Being able to have people at ONEIL that understand the differences between those and the idiosyncrasies with those product lines is very useful. I never have to have a conversation with ONEIL folks where I'm saying, all right, here's this product and it's this truck and it does this. If somebody knows counterbalance, they understand it. If they know a big truck, they know that. It's easy that way. Particularly the OneView module, which is interactive schematics and diagrams, that's been getting a lot of buzz amongst our technician network. Tracking a schematic of a complex device on paper from page to page to page is tedious. It's prone to error. This eliminates that, and we've gotten that feedback from our users in the field. Translation's always been a question. When you play in a global market, there are lots and lots of regions to which you have to localize. Managing that's difficult. We did not have an XML-based solution like ONEIL provides at that time when we started, and so that was a large part of it, was helping to manage how many markets that we need to deal with. And so the database, the OnePub system, and its predecessor for helping to manage that content in XML database was critical, because that's the only way we can crank out 3, 4, 5 million pages a year and do it in that amount of time. The line between what's on your computer and what's in your life is becoming non-existent, and that affects industry and commercial applications as well as people. And so having an AR solution in particular is very useful, because everybody's got access to the hardware that makes that technology useful to them. So being able to overlay information on top of a living, breathing piece of equipment is going to be a big step to help people orient themselves to that equipment in the future. And I'm very interested to see how the mixed reality technology really matures as time goes on too. I've worked with many vendors in various companies, and ONEIL is always, every time, they've delivered on time and within their budget. I've not had that experience with every other vendor. It's very rare that you get that kind of success rate. So I think that's just worth mentioning. It's an important feature.